All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a really awesome video for you coming up. There's a bunch of waterfalls and such. You should hang out with us. Come on. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So we have not done many videos in the last couple of days. It's been super windy and super cold, and we've been being lazy, but we're getting back out and we're gonna go to Thousand Springs today, Idaho. Again, we're still in Idaho. We're gonna go check out some cool springs. If you guys want to follow us over there. So we made it to Thousand Springs State Park, and we're getting ready to go check out the Canal Falls right now. This is a really awesome naturey trail they got. What do you think?
It's a little cold.
It's a little nipply out here today. Idaho is the third coldest state in the country, and they are living up to their standards because it's icy and cold. It was 20 degrees this morning, but it's all right. We're still out. Let's go check out some falls, people.
Oh, look at that big boy.
Yeah, a big bird. Be careful. This is the Mallard Gorge in Thousand Springs Park. Looks like another one of those cracks where the rocks just want to fall off the cliff. You can see right over there. It starts there and it goes all the way down. What?
You see the waterfall?
Oh shit. Ah.
The big one over there.
So there's a waterfall in the distance. Right there. Well, they got this one fenced off over here, and I'm wondering if it's because it's getting ready to fall. But look how big this gap is in this one. So over there is the canyon. This is a big rock in the middle. And then you can see the break off, and I can't even see the bottom over here. So this might be the next section of the gorge falling in, making it a little bigger. Damn, I hope it happens right now. So it looks like that big piece that we were just looking at has already started its tumble, and you can tell it's already dropped down probably 20 foot. So that's the piece right there, and it's way down. Like that one right here is dropped. That's the regular height, and it went meh, meh, meh. And to put it into perspective as the size of this thing, it's probably a 10-acre tract of rock. 10 acres, I would guess, if not a little bit more. Oh yeah, we're not gonna do it now. Hey, we found Devil's Wash Bowl. It's the big waterfall that we came to see, and we almost missed it like we normally do. But here we are. So we were just right over there. Oh shit. All right. I hear you. We are at Lemon Falls with 2 M's. Lemon Falls. Check it out.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, it is. Oh wow. Isn't it fantastic? Yay! It's really neat. The water goes right into the rocks and kind of disappears, and we're getting ready to walk over to the place it comes out. This is a really awesome waterfall, people. 100% recommend coming to Thousand Springs State Park in Idaho. This place is gorgeous, people. All right. If you look down here, you see where the water's coming out from underneath of the rocks, which is really neat. All along here. If y'all want to take a look at this, there's a bunch of running water, and this doesn't, I don't know where it's coming from, but it's coming from somewhere. It comes from up there in the rocks, the hidden caves and such. You know, when you got rivers that are in caves, I've never seen where they come out. Well, this is where they come out. I mean, I really don't know what I'm talking about. So I would promise, I would encourage you guys to check on my fact-based, because my facts are not normally studied enough, and I don't always really know what I'm talking about. Just for your knowledge.
Great. It sounds great.
But check out this water. No water. There's water. Hey, have you guys ever seen a porcupine out in nature? That's a porcupine. That's nature. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys, we're at 1,000 springs is what they call it. We have literally been through all the park and we found our first spring.
I can even hear it.
But it's right here. Oh yeah, it's coming down. Oh, there's cow poop up here. There it is. Let's keep following it, see where it comes from, huh? Oh, there it is. There's the culprit.
Good old sagebrush.
Fun fact of the day. These sagebrush things, these ones right here. First off, that's where your tumbleweed comes from. But more importantly, there's actually a whole bunch of health benefits of the sagebrush, the sagebrush. I'm sure a lot of people knew that. I didn't. I know now. It actually helps in menopause. So for all you ladies, maybe get some sage. All right, well, we found our second spring and two little critters.
My two little favorites.
There's a third one. Look at them.
3, 4. The whole family. Oh, here comes some more.
Oh, look. It's like a beaver. There it is. That's another spring. And it's pushing a bunch of water out. I just love these springs. There's so many, like, there's just so much life around these springs, and it's really awesome. And I think I just heard someone say they found a bridge. I think she's making a joke. Let's see what she has up her sleeve this time. Oh, yep, it's a bridge. Boom. Hey, bridge is a bridge is a bridge.
We love ourselves a bridge.
We found some kind of old structure. I'm not sure what it is.
Oh, wow. Got a little fence and everything.
Might have been someone's house, man. Someone's shop. I bet it was a shop.
The old homestead.
Hey, if you guys aren't too busy right now, you know, it's while you're sitting there watching TV, you're watching these silly shows, give us a little thumbs up. Please. It goes a long way. Thank you so much. Now get back to it. Well, we keep walking and we found two more beautiful waterfalls. So we're going to go ahead and meander over there. But take a look at them in the distance. Beautiful, man. Go Idaho.
Don't drive over it.
I probably would, actually.
Yeah, you would. If I was a cow, I'd want to live here.
What's that?
If I was a cow, I'd want to live here.
I'm glad you're not a cow. It's hard to get here every day. Long walk.
How beautiful is this? What
Very
a little surprise. If you just keep going, you see more and more.
Yeah, yeah. Very, wasn't expecting these. I'm gonna come back out. I'm just gonna walk in here. We have found us something very special here, folks. There's not a person in sight. Nature is really beautiful. Thanks for watching. Seriously. Tall. It's got to be 300 foot. This grass, this yard is ridiculous.
Yeah, this is really nice grass. Really nice grass. Wow.
You notice how the waterfall doesn't really end? It kind of just, I mean it ends, but it just goes right into the rocks. Why do you think they made that?
Baby pools.
For like kids?
Yeah, I would think.
To the Box Canyon, which is down the street from the other canyon, which is down the street from the other canyon, which is down the street from the other canyon. We're getting ready to go do another canyon after this canyon, but now we're at the Box Canyon. Water looks to be coming from under the ground. There's obviously no waterfall. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Beautiful. We brought the dogs down to the creek today to let them do a little swimming. Might give them a little bath while they're in there. But I know Diesel is going to be stoked because he loves doing some swimming. What do you think, Diesel? Want to do some swimming? Huh? Go get it. Go ahead. Go. Good boy. Go.
Painting all of my fibers that it was greatest fires. I gotta show them that I'm a fighter. That's a trait of a survivor. They wanna out my flame. They added more to the fire. I gotta show them how I get inspired. I'm hungry inside like a tiger. I gotta never gonna give in to my fan. Even if they dumb me so bad, gotta make it to the top. Climb out of hell.
Go get it.
Let me down, I know wouldn't dare. Feeling like the man, like I'm for the man. I nearly quit it, but I had to go and persevere. I'm feeling like Houdini made the eyes reappear. I'm really about to blow up, they don't wanna be near. Yeah, they better stay clear. Yeah.
Oh, mama help him. Mama help him. It's the moving water. He doesn't know what to do. Go get it. Get it, Diesel. Get it. Go get it. Go get it, Diesel. He doesn't even care. He doesn't even give a shit. I've never seen this before. This dog always wants to go swimming.
Tell him make a wish, I grant it like a genie. I'm standing tall, Mount Everest can see me. I need the throne, I'm a king of the city. I'm coming from
Get
the
you some.
bottom
There you go.
to the
Good boy.
top. So far to reach, can never take my spot. Haters better know that I only keep it high. Once I take control, ain't nowhere I'm gonna stop. I'm coming from the bottom, going to the top. So far to reach, can never take my spot. Haters better know that I only keep it high. Once I take control, ain't nowhere I'm gonna stop.
Tristan wanted some deer antlers, so I had to come through again and find her some deer antlers, but we found some. Something to add to our collection of heads. I think that's the third one we found. Super cool. So we're just out on some BLM land, traveling around some of the dirt roads they have, and we always come across some really cool stuff out in these places. And here's one of the little spots we found to just hang out for a little bit. This would be the perfect place to hang out in the summertime. This water is deep and it's clear as hell, but it's cold right now, so we can't go in. But I mean, it's probably 6 foot, 7 foot deep. Well, here we go. We found another cool spot. That sucks because it's cold and we can't use it. But look at this, right out in the middle of freaking nowhere. They got a diving board. They're jumping to the little lake here. I so want to jump off this thing right now. I mean, it's probably 12 foot up. That's a nice diving board. Would you jump off it?
Filled with fireflies, you gaze at me with open eyes. The night is falling soft and deep. It's time for you to go to sleep. I see you want to sympathize. You gaze at me with open eyes. The king can all his treasures keep for